Stop wasting time watching your Paramount Plus app lag and stutter. Today I'll show you exactly how to fix those performance issues on your Android TV or Chromecast in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Clear the app cache. This is the quickest way to remove corrupted temporary files that slow down your interface. Navigate to your TV's settings, then select Apps and find Paramount Plus in the list. Select Clear Cache. This won't log you out, but it will clear the digital clutter causing those micro stutters. Step 2. Force stop. Sometimes the app hangs in the background, eating up your device's limited RAM. In the same app info menu, click Force Stop. This fully terminates the process so you can start fresh. Wait a few seconds, then relaunch the app. Most UI lag is solved right here. Step 3. Check for updates. An outdated app is a laggy app. Open the Google Play Store, go to your profile and check for app updates. If Paramount Plus is listed, hit update immediately. Don't forget system updates too. Go to Settings, System and About to ensure your Android OS is compatible with the latest app builds. Step 4. The deep reset. If nothing else works, it's time to power cycle your hardware. Unplug your Android TV or Chromecast from the power source and wait at least 30 seconds. This clears the volatile memory fully. Plug it back in and let the system boot completely before opening any apps. Finally, check your network. Paramount Plus needs at least 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. If you're on a Chromecast, use the HDMI extender to reduce Wi-Fi interference. One pro tip, disable your VPN. The extra encryption layer can add enough latency to break your stream. Also, ensure location services are on. Paramount Plus uses this to authenticate your local channels, and blocking it can cause hangups. To recap, clear your cache, force stop the app, keep everything updated, and power cycle your device for the best performance. Follow these steps and you'll be back to buffer-free streaming in no time. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. I'm your tech tutor and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.